Namaste, I'm Archana. It's day 15. Today we're going to be doing a soothing, gentle, nourishing asana practice. So we'll begin by sitting in a comfortable seated position, keeping the back straight, closing our eyes. Just noticing a breath here. Simply breathing in and breathing out. And just notice the position of your head. Are you leaning forward? Are you bending it to any side? Just move your neck side to side to notice how you feel in your neck. You can move it to any side that you want to. Keep your eyes closed. And come back to whatever is your center. Your gaze is forward, trying to keep your chin parallel to the earth. And slowly open your eyes. Now we're going to breathe in through our nose. And as we breathe out, we're going to try and push our chin forward. It's like a turtle pushes it, brings its neck out of its shell and then withdraws it back. That's the kind of motion. We're going to do 5 rounds of this, so breathe in. And as we breathe out, push your chin forward. Notice some amount of tension here beneath your jaw and back. Come back to neutral. We're not going to tuck our chin in. Okay? Again, as you breathe out, and back. You may feel some amount of tightness. You may feel unnatural. Tightness in your shoulder, back, the back of your head. True. We may all look very different based on how we generally position our head. Just remember, you're pushing away and then coming back to center. I'm feeling it a lot in my shoulder, especially my left. So it may feel differently for you. Drop your hands, drop your chin towards your chest. Move your neck side to side. Now slowly, we're going to be raising our shoulders towards the ears. Same way, breathe in. We're going to do 3 of this. Take our shoulders all the way up to our ears and exhale. If you want to, you can exhale through your mouth. Let's go there once again. And breathe out. Now we're going to bring the soles of our feet to touch. Bring our heels close to the center, towards our groin. Or for some of us, it may be away. It's totally okay, wherever you're comfortable. Back is straight. Now either you're going to grab your toes or your ankle. It's totally up to you. And I'll give you another option while we do this. Keeping our back straight. We're going to bend towards your right. So I would find it comfortable holding my toes here. Then towards your right. Now forward towards your left and back. Nice rotations. In your waist. Slowly come back up. Eyes stay closed. You're going to go one more. When you bend to your right, notice the stretch that you feel on the left side of your body. You're moving forward, trying to bring your chest in the direction of your toes. Notice the stretch on the inside of your thighs. And come back to center. Spine is straight. You're going to go the other way, towards your left. Breathe out if you want to when you come down. Breathe in as you come up. So half the circle, knee to knee, breathing in. And when you start leaning forward towards the floor, breathe out. And back. If you want to do more of this, just pause the video. Do a few more circles. It's totally okay. Come back. Bring your left heel close to your body. Here, either you're using your right hand to hold your right knee, left hand to hold your foot. So this is your cradle pose, like you're cradling your leg here, or place it in your elbow like you would cradle a baby. So Hindodalasana, just move, rocking it side to side, or trying and hugging it towards your chest, or if you're resting it, your knee and your foot in your palm. Yeah, any way it is fine today, wherever your body is, and that's in that position, you should be able to move, relax and release. Now we're going to go with the other foot. Here, breathe in all the way deep, hug and move, or just rock. About 3 to 5, 2 and 1. Release. Now this time I'm just going to simply stack my left leg over my right. I'm going to try and keep my left foot over my right knee, and so automatically my left knee is over my right foot. Back is straight. I'm going to breathe in, and as I breathe out, I'm going to try and bring my fingers are pointing towards me, bringing it on towards the mat. I'm going to lean forward slightly, and automatically I'll start noticing a stretch all along my hip. On the left side, noticing a stretch in my wrist. So if you can't reach here yet, just your fingertips stretch and goes nice and slow here. This is great again, especially if you're sitting at your desk typing through the day or even on your phones. A great stretch for occupational conditions that we would get when we are working on our computers. You're going to breathe and now release your hands, bring it back. I'm going to try and rest my forearms chin to chest. This is one option. For some of you, you may be able to go all the way and bend forward, and for some of us, we may just stay here. You'll notice, as long as you're feeling the stretch on the outside of your legs, it's totally okay where you rest. Drop your chin to your chest, breathe in and breathe out. Slowly come up, walk your hands up, come all this way up. We're going to just alternate our legs. Here, another thing, if this is not an option for you, you can sit in Sukhasana and just one leg in front of the other and alternate it. Here, this time I'm going to do your Agnistambhasana, your fire log pose. Sit tall. I'm going to take my palms, the back of my palms, and rest it against my rib cage. I can be high up here or lower at my lower ribs. I can just keep only my fingers or rest my whole palm, depending on how you feel, where you can place Place your palms as you breathe in, nice expansion in your chest. And breathe out. You'll feel some amount of stretch all along your forearms, and that's what is expected out of this asana. Breathe in. 2. And last one. Release your hand. May feel a little uncomfortable. Just release and move whatever comes naturally to you. And drop forward. It's important that you're aware of what is going on in your body at this moment. Come back up. I'm going to just release my leg, turn to the side. This will be easy for you to see. Stretch my left leg out. I'm going to stack my right leg. Try to place my ankle over, just like the number 4. Rest it here. This is one of my favorite stretches, and especially for your hamstrings. Breathe in. Reach your hands up. Nice length in your spine. Pull your navel in. I'm going to round my back and roll forward. Here there is no trying to reach. We're not going to go into our deepest pose. Just staying here, placing your palms towards the ceiling and not towards the mat, because I don't want to press into you. If you can, bring your forehead to rest on your knee. That will be quite a deep stretch on the back of your legs on the left side. Just staying here for 3 breaths. Roll and come back. It's important how we come back to and the other leg. First one, breathe in, reach. Hold the navel in, round your back. And drop. And the more you deepen your stretch, you'll notice the intensity of the stretch change in the back of your legs. Bring your awareness to the areas that you notice the stretch. Exhale and just relax. One more breath in. Slowly come up. Release your legs. Come down to lying. Your back in the center of your mat. Bring your feet together. Arms come to rest next to you. We're going to take a deep breath in and chant 1 round of Om. You can stay here for as long as you want to. Thank you so much for joining me in today's practice. I would love to hear from you in the comments below. For more content like this, please like and subscribe. Namaste.